reminder that, if we are moving towards IoT, we have to design these systems very carefully. And if the design it does not consider all the possible scenarios, for instance, over here, he went to the dentist and he could not talk properly, so the voice assistant could not understand what he's saying. So the problem is in the design, not in the system itself. There should have been a backup, which could unlock the door using a key or something. So the point being that, IoT is opening many new doors for us, but we should be cautious in that way, that, we don't get carried away and just deploy systems which are not properly tested. So I would end my talk on this quote from Jared Newman. And just like any company that blissfully ignored the internet at the turn of the century, the ones that dismiss the Internet of Things risk getting left behind. Okay? So let me give you an example of Nokia. What happened to Nokia? Right? It was a big name. Its mobiles, I think it was the number one. It had the highest share of mobiles in the market. But what happened is that when Android came in, many players switched to Android. But Nokia was still saying, okay, no, we do not want to switch. We would stay with our Symbian operating system. Now, they spent a significant amount of money on designing that operating system, the Symbian, and they didn't want to let go of it. But eventually what happened is, in front of you, Nokia went out of the market. And nowadays they are again trying to get into Android, but still they missed the bus. So similarly for us, if we do not realize that IoT is going to be the next big thing, we're going to also miss the bus. So just before ending, some people say, okay, is IoT robotics? No, IoT is not robotics. IoT is much more than robotics. Robotics is more about how to making sure that the robotic arm moves precisely and stuff like that. So I think it is more towards mechatronics and this. IoT is a full system, so it might include a robot as well, which is equipped with various sensors. And then based on that various sensors, the robot can take certain actions. So it's a full system, okay? So just to clarify that point. Okay, so I can end my talk over here. If you